Okay, hello everybody. We got another bill pay job come in for the taxidermy shop. This is a store-bought one. They won't tell us what they paid for it, but look at this. It's only welded on two sides and super flimsy stuff. And look at it here. It's heat warped. I don't know if you can see that too much, but she heat warped a little there. Anyway, what these are for, they take this and they mount it to a stump or a piece of wood or something, a scenery piece. And then they take the big taxidermy elk heads and what have you, and they put this down in it, and then that slides on there. The big elk mounted head will be out here, so you can slide it down onto the whatever kind of a decoration there. Free free flowing stand is what it is. So this is the stuff that they're buying out of a catalog, and you can see it's all flimsy, loosey goosey. So they're having us build it at a heavier material, and we're going to use, oh, what is that? That's pert near 1/4 inch, maybe 5/16. 5/16 plate. We'll cut that into the squares, drill holes in it. You can see on the store-bought one, they're just rough cut plasma holes. Crazy. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. You can see Dad's over there cutting the sleeves to length, and then then after he cuts these and drills the 4 holes in them, then I'll weld those cut pieces on there. And they want, what was it, 20 something of them. So a little bit of bill pay money, strange jobs you get in fabrication stuff. All right. So meantime, get out there and get some metal hot, even if it is just putting money in the bank account for the hot rods later on. All right. We'll catch you on the next one.